Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Asana for design projects, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Asana website by typing www.asana.com and the address. Press enter on your keyboard. Wait for the Asana homepage to load completely. In the top right corner, look for the login button. Click on the login button. You will see a login page with several options. If you have an account, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click on the login button below. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. If you are using a Google account, click on the Login with Google button. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Select your Google account or enter your Google credentials. After signing in, you will be redirected back to Asana. Once logged in, you may be taken to your dashboard or project overview. If you are part of multiple teams, select the appropriate team from the drop-down menu. To start a new design project, click on the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Click on the New Project button to initiate a new project creation. Fill in the project details and invite team members as needed. After completing this step, you can begin managing your design projects effectively. Always ensure you log out if you are using a public or shared computer. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. You are now ready to efficiently manage your design projects in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.